Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to create this post in Photoshop. Let's step to Photoshop. Let me show you how to do it. Click on file, go to new, and then we're going to set the dimensions to set the width to 2000, the height to 2000, the resolution to 300, and then that is it. Name it whatever you want to name it, and then I'm going to set the color here to color black for now. Okay, and I'll click on create. Now also I want to go to views, and I want to go to new gas layout. I'll set it to 4 across, and I'll click on okay. Now our thing is prepped for, for the design. First thing we are going to do is to bring in some few text. So I'm going to place embedded, and then I'm going to bring this one. Yes, I'm going to drag it somewhere down here. Now I know one thing I like about this whole thing is that you can always come back and edit them. Okay, so that is the first one. The second one is we're going to bring in let's see what else we can bring in. What else can we bring in? I'm going to bring this one, so I'm going to click on it. All right, and I'm going to drag it down. Okay, so select both of them, and then we're going to drag it really down somewhere like this is better. Okay, now we also have to bring in some of the backgrounds to make everything begin to take form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this one, and I'll click on it, enter, and I'll drag it underneath here. Good, it's looking nice. Now we also want to go to place embedded, and we want to click on place embedded, and then want to bring in this circle, and then click on it there. Good. Now we also want to drag it up above here, around here. I would say is good. Okay, circle up a bit more, but for the meantime, let's see, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we want to type around the circle. To do that, you're going to hold control, and you're going to click over here. Now you see the dancing ants around it. I want you to click on the selection tool here, right click it, and then make work path, set it to 0. Good. Now go to path over here and select it. Click on your text tool, and then come here and type over there. Now come to this side and set the font to what would be good. Let's set this side to bold, and then the tracking to 130. Okay, maybe this side will be 80 for now. We can still work around it if you want to. Everything is like this, guys. Click over here and choose this color code FFFF00. Click on OK, and then let's pick I'm going to leave everything in the description for you already, so you guys don't need to worry about that. I'm going to paste it there. Good. Now I'm going to set this side to 20 for the meantime. I'm going to set this side to 10. The font size here to 14. Let's set it to 600. Okay. So guys, you saw how we did it. We set it to 600 over here before we were able to get it. All right. But also, we don't have to leave it like that. We have to go to the blending modes, and then we have to set it to overlay. Yes, overlay, and then we have to go to place embedded, and then we have to come and pick that, the Buddha. Yes, exactly. We're just going to place it real there. Also guys, you want to make sure the Buddha is in the middle. To do that, you need to check whether the nose is in the middle. The nose has to be in the middle, guys. Can't emphasize that the nose of Buddha has to be in the middle. And then finally, I feel like the text might not stand out a bit more, so on top of Buddha here, I'm going to create another, and then I'm going to pick the colors over here, the black color over there, and then I'm going to just and then maybe reduce it a bit more. Nice. And then guys, that is basically it. So we just gonna save it. So if you love this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. Also guys, don't forget, more things are coming up. I'm going to release the PSD files of these designs very soon. Subscribe and comment. I love you all. See you in the next one. Peace out.